What's up, guys? Harry, aka Locksmithic. It is Sunday morning, 8:30. We got a door to install. Let's get to work. But Terry, what kind of tools are we going to need? Well, I'll tell you. A locksmith truck full of tools. So it's 40 degrees and sunny. But it's early still, so we're probably going to be around the 65 degree area today. Yeah, my wife got me on these, and now I feel like some sort of crackhead or something because I always have to sneak me one in the morning. Cheers! There it is. There's my target. And look, you can't just go running up to it and ripping out the door, because even though you've measured it once, you've measured it twice, you've measured it 8 times, you still want to measure what you've got hanging versus what you've got in the truck. This door here, you can see the damage, the rust, etc. So we're going to be taking this out, and the thing is, on this one, the frame is filled. We're just going to put this in its place. And I've chosen a welded frame to replace it. The door space reinforcer, whatever thingies, and some wedge anchors. Next comes the removal. Use the hilty here. Use this chisel bit. Goes in the hilty and knock the edges out there. Hopefully we get a nice clean break. Okay, that's what I'm dealing with here. A filled frame, and so it's been fun. So I got to pry that out still. Pry this leg out. Come on through, it's okay. Looks like the work's cut out for me. Okay, that's my last leg coming out. There's that lintel I was telling you about. It's a piece of metal put up in there so that it supports this structure up here so that it doesn't, come tumbling down. Okay, here's our rough opening. Completely open. Here's our frame. And on these frames, these welded frames come with these shipping straps so the frame doesn't get bent up. Just going to take a grinder and get those off. It's ugly work. I'm sure you can figure out how those would grind off, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Okay, here the stabilizers are. Okay, we've got the jam installed. Got our anchors here, which are 3/8 inch hole, and install the, tap it in and give it a twist, but pretty sturdy. Now we got to get this door on. Already put the hinges on. Just got to get those hinges into those pockets. So, okay, here's my door all installed. Caulked all the way around. Got to do some more stuff. I got to install the threshold and other stuff. I want to get this part done today on Sunday. It's the only time I had available to take the time to do a door. One door, start to finish. There's all the crap that came off of it. I'm going to knock the junk out of this and get a couple dollars on the steel. Probably a couple dollars would be about it. That's it. Wasn't that fun?